Guys, this might just be the ultimate projector for your home theater setup. If I had to pick one projector for my living room, it's going to be this one, the Hisense C2 Ultra. Why? Well, because it delivers stunning 4K visuals on a massive 300-inch display while maintaining incredible clarity even with the lights on. The built-in JBL sound system takes the experience to another level. And considering the price, it's an absolute steal. But is it really better than a TV or other projectors on the market? Well, let's find out. The Hisense C2 comes with a premium carrying bag, making it easy to transport. You also get a backlit smart remote control, a power adapter, and of course, the projector itself. Now, I love this sleek, modern design. It should blend seamlessly into most living rooms, but what really stands out for me is the gimbal design. It allows you to rotate it 360 degrees horizontally and tilt it up to 135 degrees vertically. Now, what this means is you can project it onto walls, you can project it onto ceilings, and even at unconventional angles with ease. Now, setting up the Hisense C2 is incredibly simple. Just turn it on, follow the on-screen instructions, and you are good to go. Now, here's the cool part for me. It features auto keystone correction and autofocus, meaning it automatically adjusts the screen alignment and sharpness for you. It also has eye protection sensors that dims the laser if someone walks too close to it, making it a great choice for families with kids. With 3000 lumens of brightness, the projected image remains bright and vivid, even in well-lit rooms. The Hisense C2 projects at 4K. As you can see, it's sharp. It supports HDR10, HDR10+, HLD, Dolby Vision, and IMAX enhanced support. The colors it shows are accurate. It covers 110% of the BT 2020 coverage, meaning it produces deeper blacks and more lifelike colors. Now check this out. With this projector, even 1080p content gets upscaled to 4K thanks to the advanced processing it has. And if you have space in your living room, if you place this projector 12 feet away, it's going to give you a 200-inch screen, and moving it 18 feet back gets you a massive 300-inch display. It delivers true cinematic experience at home. The inbuilt JBL speakers sound amazing. It's surprisingly powerful. It features two 10-watt speakers and a 20-watt subwoofer, delivering rich bass and crisp highs.
And now we wanted payback. An alliance is forming with the objective of taking out Escobar.
The sound fills the room and it makes watching content on this projector very immersive. Now for gamers, this projector will impress you. The Hisense C2 is designed for Xbox. I mean, you can also connect your PlayStation and play your games. It supports games at 4K at 120Hz and 1080p at 240Hz. Playing games with this projector is next level. It has ultra low input lag, ensuring a smooth gaming experience even in fast-paced titles. Guys, playing games on this massive 300-inch screen is next level immersive. Once you try it, regular TVs will feel tiny. Navigating the Hisense C2 is a breeze thanks to the VIDAA OS. It looks very familiar and easy to find your favorite streaming apps. It comes preloaded with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more. The voice-controlled controller allows you to search for content hands-free, and it even has Bluetooth 5.3 support, allowing for easy connection to wireless headphones or speakers. Now with this projector, you get plenty of connectivity options, including 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports for media playback and accessories, an Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. I mean, with all these ports, you can connect your PlayStation to it, you can connect your Xbox, you can even connect a DSTV decoder to it. So this projector looks good, but what about the price? Is it expensive? Not really. It's priced at 1,890,000 naira, which is around $1,181. And at that price, it's cheaper than most 100-inch TVs. And remember, this projector can project up to 300 inches. And check this out, for a limited time, when you buy this projector, you're also going to get a 100-inch ambient light projecting screen. So, is this projector worth buying? Well, it projects in 4K, the screen size is large, up to 300 inch, it's very easy to set up, it has powerful JBL speakers, it's excellent for gaming, and it has a compact, modern design, and it's also portable. Overall, the Hisense C2 is an absolute powerhouse, combining top-tier visuals, incredible audio, and next-level gaming capabilities in a compact package that is portable. If you're looking for the ultimate home theater experience, this is it. And if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, you can check the link in my bio for the best price. Now you can also check my review of the Hisense PX3. It's another fantastic projector. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you guys with more content like this. VIDAA Reviews, signing out.